Hi बच्चा लोग, welcome to the second part of the video SURDS, SURDS, SURDS part 2. We discussed in our previous video, that is SURDS part 1, we discussed that what is called SURDS and we saw the some basic functions, basic operations of SURDS like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay, if you missed that part 1 video, the link is there in the description box. You must watch that video first. After that you come to this video. Okay, so in SURDS part 2, we are going to discuss some different sums like rationalizing the denominator. Okay, rationalizing the denominator. What is called rationalizing the denominator? Actually, see in the denominator, see the denominator part, a root is there. See, I have taken 3 examples. Root is there, root is there. So roots are there in the denominators. Yes, roots are there in the denominators. Actually, we have to remove this root from the denominator. Okay, we have to remove this root, cancel this root from the denominator. That is called rationalizing the denominator. It's very important. So what we have to do, if it is a single number, see a single number is there, not like here say double number is there. No, it's a double number, it's a double number, but here only single number is there. So if single number is there, then it's very easy. Just by the same number you have to multiply up and down, like 7 into root over 10 by root over 10 in root over 10 into root over 10. So what I've done, root over 10 is there, so I'm multiplying up and down both by root over 10, the same number. So what is the benefit of it? 7 into root over 10, we cannot multiply, so 7 root over 10 by root over 10 into root over 10. I told you in the first part of SURD that root over 10 into root over 10, that is root over 100. We can multiply them, root over 100. So root over 100 means 10. That is root over 10 into root over 10 is 10. See, no root are there. Root is not there. That means we have rationalized the denominator. The denominator is rationalized. ऊपर root हो सकता है, that's not an issue. ऊपर root हो सकता है, but नीचे root नहीं होना चाहिए. That is what is called rationalizing the denominator. Okay, but here double number is there. See, double number is there. So we have to rationalize it. See how. So what we have to do, the same thing we'll do, equal to same thing we'll do. What is there down? Root over 5, but there double number is there, root over 5 plus 2. So we'll multiply up and down by root over 5 minus 2. What is the sign here? Plus. So we'll take opposite sign. Okay, first of all we'll write the same thing. We'll write the same thing here. Let us write it. Root over 5 minus 2, root over 5 plus 2. See, the same thing we have written. Now here, what is there down? Root over 5 plus 2. So we'll write root over 5 minus 2. Okay, the same thing we are writing but with the opposite sign. Now the same thing we are going to write here, root over 5 minus 2. So what we have seen, what is that down? We just taking opposite sign of that and we are multiplying up and down. Okay, try to understand the process. Now see, root over 5, then we'll write the whole thing. Root over 5, then we'll write root over 5 minus 2. Okay, then we'll write minus 2, then root over 5 minus 2. Just we are multiplying, algebraic multiplication. Root over 5 we are writing, then we are writing the whole. Then minus 2 we are writing, then we are writing the whole. After that, see here, a plus b, a minus b. Okay, that is algebraic formula. A plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. That is a square minus b square. Try to understand. Now, see, root over 5 into root over 5, that is 5. We have already discussed in the SURDS part 1 video. Okay, root over 5 into root over 5, that is 5. Root over 5 into 2, that is minus 2 root over 5. Okay, 5 is under root, but there is no root, so we cannot multiply 5 to the 10. No, we'll write 2, then root over 5 in this way. Now this one, minus 2 root over 5, again minus 2 root over 5, minus minus plus 2 to the 4. Okay, now here, root over 5 square means 5, root over 2 square means 3. So what I'm getting here, 5 plus 4. Okay, 5 plus 4, 9. Then minus 2 root over 5, minus 2 root over 5. Say if root over 5 is x, okay, root over 5 is x, then minus 2x is how much? Minus 4x. Minus 4x. X is root over 5. Root over 5. Okay, the same way, the way we calculated in algebra, the same way. Minus 2 root over 5, minus 2 root over 5. That is minus 4 root over 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. See, there is no root in the denominator. In the denominator, root is cancelled. Okay, so this is rationalize the denominator. Okay. Now, one more question I have selected for you. This is the question. You can see here. This is the question I have selected for you. So, let us solve it. The same way. 1 by 3 plus 2 root over 2 I am writing. Okay. Same way I am writing it. After that, as I told you in this sum, we'll take the same thing but with the opposite sign. Plus is there, we'll take minus. So 3 minus 2 root 2. Okay, the same thing we will write here. 3 minus 2 root 2. Don't forget to write this. Okay, this is very important. Now, let us multiply it. Okay, let us multiply it. By 1 if you multiply it, the things will remain same. Okay, after that, this is a plus b, a minus b. That is a plus b into a minus b. That is a square minus b square. So a square minus b square. Okay, that is 3 minus 2 root 2 will be same like this, and this one 3 square means 9 minus 2 root 2 square. 2 square is 4. 2 square is 4 and root 2 square is 2. 2. Okay. 2 square is 4 and root 2 square is 2. So 4 2s are 8. So this is 8. Okay. 9 minus 8 is 1. So 3 minus 2 root 2 by 1. But 1 we do not write at denominator. See again, denominator is rationalized. Okay. Root is not there. So 3 minus 2 root 2. This is the denominator free expression. So rationalize the denominator is done. Okay. See another question I have taken where we can use the same property, that is rationalize the denominator. Here also we'll rationalize the denominator, then we'll simplify them. Say let us write it. So 22 by 2 root over 3 plus 1. Okay, then 2 root over 3 minus 1, then again 2 root over 3 minus 1. Hope you understood this. Rationalizing the denominator. Okay, plus the same way we'll do it here. 17 2 root over 3 plus 1 by 2 root over 3 minus 1, then 2 root over 3 plus 1. Hope you understood. See 2 root over 3 minus 1. So I'm taking the opposite sign, that is plus. So thus writing the same thing. Okay, now let us multiply it by 22. You multiply 22 into 2. 44 root over 3 minus 22 into 1, 22. Okay, don't think that this 22 will be multiplied by 3. No, 3 is under root and 20 is not under root, so they will not be multiplied. The same way I have written, this will be the result. Okay, now see this 2 root over 3 plus 1, 2 root over 3 minus 1, that is a plus b, a minus b. So a square minus b square. Okay, let us do it here. The same thing. 17 into 2, 34 root over 3 plus 17. A minus b, a plus b, that is a square minus b square. Understood? The same way we have done rationalizing, the same process we are applying here. So that is equal to 44 root over 3 minus 22 by 2 square means 4 and root 3 square means 3. So 4 3 is 12 minus 1 square is 1. Understood? 2 square is 4, root 3 square is 3, so 4 3 is 12, 12 minus 1 plus, let's see here what is coming, 34 root over 3 plus 17, here 2 root over 3 square, that is 2 square is 4, root 3 square is 3, 4 3 is 12, 12 minus 1, so here I am getting 12 minus 1 is 11, okay, 12 minus 1 is 11 I am getting, correct? Now LCM is 11, so 44 root over 3 minus 22 plus 34 root over 3 plus 17, okay, so what I am getting, 44 root 3 plus 34 root 3, that is 78 root over 3. Then minus 22 plus 17, that is minus 22 plus 17 is minus 5. Yes, minus 5 by 11. This is the answer. So if I simplify it, I will get this answer. Understood? We'll see more difficult sums in the video SURDS part 3. Thank you.